My boyfriend cut around 5 to 6 inches of my hair while I was sleeping and found it hilarious. Didn't apologize. I've been with him for 2.5 years and we recently moved together. For some context, I had pretty long hair. I liked it, but it was a lot of work and I was thinking about cutting for some time, but wasn't completely sure. I told my BF about it and he said that it wouldn't matter for him whether I cut it or not. My boyfriend was always the type of guy who liked making jokes and pranks but nothing too serious. But what he did to me wasn't a prank in my opinion. It was just mean and I felt violated. The other day, I came home in the late afternoon. My boyfriend was there and we spoke for a bit. Then, I laid on the couch and I must have been really tired because I fell asleep. Next thing I know, I wake up to someone laughing while pulling lightly on my hair. I was confused since I had just woken up and I couldn't really understand what was happening. In the first few seconds, I looked and my boyfriend was standing in front of me with big scissors and a huge strand of hair in his hands. There were strands on the couch as well. I started to panic and touched my hair. One side was so much shorter than the other one. I screamed at him and asked him what he did. He burst out laughing and told me that he wanted to be my hairstylist for the day since I was thinking about cutting my hair. He kept laughing and told me that he wouldn't charge me. I rushed to the bathroom and watched myself in the mirror. Inches were gone on the right side and it looked completely asymmetric, just like a kid who cut their own hair. I felt so stupid and ashamed looking at myself. I cried and yelled at my BF, but he told to stay calm, that it wasn't that serious and continued laughing. I went to my room and didn't speak to him for the rest of the evening. Night. The next morning, I took an appointment with my hairstylist. I was so ashamed that I lied to her, told her that it was urgent because I had lost a bet. When she saw me, she told me not to make bets anymore. I felt completely stupid. Thankfully, she kind of saved my hair but she had to cut at least 5-6 inches. Because of him, he didn't apologize and kept telling that it was just a joke and that I still looked cute with my new hair. I tolerated my hair, but that's not the point. The issue is that I felt violated and that it wasn't funny but disrespectful. Unfortunately, he doesn't understand it. He keeps telling that it's just hair and that I wanted to cut it anyway. First of all, I wasn't sure and I wouldn't have gone to my hairstylist. I feel like my reaction was justified. What do you think about it? Did I overreact?